Running out of chutney or sambar? Wondering how to finish off the leftover idlis? Wanna try something different with the regular boring idlis? We have got a solution here. Welcome back to Foodsnippets everyone. We are having idly pepper fry on our menu today. Let's get started. Let's take a mixture of 2 tablespoons of butter and oil in a kadai and heat it. You can skip butter and use oil alone. Add a teaspoon of mustard seeds into it. Once it splutters, in goes 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida powder and few curry leaves. Add in 3 medium sliced onions and saute them until transparent. Next, add in 1 capsicum roughly sliced and mix in. Make sure the capsicum remains crunchy, so do not overcook them. Season with salt and pepper now as per your taste and mix them in. Add roughly diced idli pieces. I had a total of 3 cups of diced idlis. Gently combine the idlis or else you might lose its shape. By the way, today is Father's Day, guys. Here's wishing our first heroes a very happy Father's Day. Finally, garnish with a generous sprinkle of coriander leaves and serve hot. Time to dive into this simple yet enticing appetizer, and you will not regret trying it. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such recipes. Thanks for watching.